Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about your earthquake survival plan. Now, some people are going to go, well, there hasn't been an earthquake in our area ever. Not true. Every state in the United States has had earthquakes. You just may not know about them because they're small, but they have earthquakes. Some places people say, oh, we don't have any earthquakes at all. Yeah, you check the record, they have several hundred earthquakes every year. Granted, they're only 2.1, 2.2, 1.5, but they have them all the time. And so every state is earthquake country in the United States. Earthquake survival plans for earthquakes don't have to be elaborate how do I put this here? All right. Think about what you have on shelves. Are those shelves, are those items secured? If the house starts shaking? Do you have to worry about pictures hanging on the walls? Have you gone around your house just to look to see if there's an earthquake and the house starts shaking, what could come down? What could break? That's where you start with your earthquake survival plan. And then you move on to your food storage. Well, I got several years worth of food storage I've been canning myself. Well, are your canning jars secure so if they start rattling and shaking, they're not going to bang into each other and break? Back in the day when the canning jars came in a box that actually had a lid and had dividers to keep the jars from bumping into each other, that's what everybody used to store their canned food in. They would mark on the box, this box has chicken in it, this box has beef in it, this box has peas in it, this box has corn in it, this box of jars has this in it, this has jams, jellies, whatever's in there, and people would mark on the box what that box is for. And those having the jars stored in a box like that makes them a lot safer than just having them loose on a shelf. There's a lot of other things to consider about earthquakes as far as how you have your normal everyday stuff secured, or rather not secured, around your home. All right. The USGS has several actually pamphlets, like little booklets, 8x11 booklets that goes through and give you all sorts of ideas, and they're free. You can request one, they'll send one to you, and you got all the information you need in there to help get your earthquake survival plan going. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and plant an outdoor and an indoor garden. You need to grow your own food.